Hi everybody, welcome back to How To with Matt. Today's how-to is going to be how to unlink a video from its audio in DaVinci Resolve and move them each individually. So as you can see, I currently have a video on the timeline of myself, a video that I made in the past. You'll see video right here, audio just below it. Currently, when I move my clip back and forth on the timeline, you'll see both the video and audio move together. What I want to do is move the audio by itself. So what I'm going to do is come and click actually on the clip. That's going to highlight both video and audio. I'm going to come up here, going to go right to the link, so link selection, or you could press Control Shift L. I'm going to press on that. So now they're technically unlinked. So when I press off of it and then press back on the audio, you see just the audio is highlighted. So now I can freely move the audio wherever I want to, or I could do the same for the clip. Just like that, back and forth, wherever you want it to be. And just like that, that's how to unlink a video from its audio in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like, comment below with any questions or comments. Also, be sure to subscribe. Make sure to check out my DaVinci Resolve tutorial playlist right here on the screen to learn more. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.